In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening Steam and heading to the Steam website. You can do this in any web browser, or you can open the Steam desktop app, which will take you to the same web pages inside the client. Either way works the same for this process. Next, log into your Steam account. Make sure you're on the official Steam site, and if you use extra sign-in protection, be ready to approve any security prompts. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your username there to open a small menu. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to your account hub, where you can see your purchase history, your stored balance, and payment settings. Here, find and click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. The Steam wallet is a prepaid balance you can draw from when buying games, DLC, in-game items, or other content on Steam. It's a simple way to pay with PayPal because you load money once, then use that balance at checkout. Choose the amount you want to add and click Add Funds. Pick what you actually plan to use. Your wallet balance stays on your account for later, but it generally can't be withdrawn, so it's best to add what you need. On the payment method screen, select PayPal. A quick note here: PayPal availability depends on your country or location. If PayPal isn't supported where you're signing in from, it won't appear as an option on this page. In that case, you'll need to use another supported method for your region. If PayPal is available, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. You'll typically be redirected to sign into your PayPal account and confirm the transaction. Make sure the amount and currency look correct, then approve the payment. After that, you'll be sent back to Steam, where you should see a confirmation that your wallet has been funded. You may also receive confirmation emails from both Steam and PayPal. Your new wallet balance should be visible right away and ready to use at checkout for your next purchase. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.